but as you better know that there are some techniques which are used in this code. Okay, now we are going to discuss about literary analysis. First literary technique is used in this code is paradox. Okay, means to say that this code contains a paradox. Okay, it suggests that by losing yourself you actually find yourself. Okay, means to say that here Mahatma Gandhi has used the word lose yourself, means to say that he want to say that he want to actually say that this word is used to find yourself, not lose yourself. Okay, means to say that paradoxical technique is that type of technique in which you find the hidden meaning. Okay, and the hidden meaning is actually opposite to it, opposite to that words that is being said. Okay, means to say that lose yourself is actually means to say that find yourself. Okay, and second thing is simple language, means to say that Gandhi ji has used simple language in this code. Okay, Gandhi uses clear and accessible words, making the message easy to understand. Okay, he has used simple language, means to say that the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Okay. Last thing is inspirational tone, means to say that the code motivates reader to think beyond their personal interest. Okay, now I want to conclude this quote. This quote is a powerful statement about the value of service and compassion. Means to say that in this quote you also given a very good lesson about the value of service and the value of compassion. Okay, although self-discovery can occur in many ways, he want to say that Gandhi convincingly argues that helping other is one of the most meaningful paths to personal growth and fulfillment. Means to say that what a beautiful thing he want to share us that self-discovery can occur in many ways. Gandhi convincingly argues that helping other is one of the most meaningful paths to personal growth. Means to say that if you want to get personal growth, you need to help others. You need to help others in a good way. If you want to get personal growth and personal fulfillment, personal satisfaction, it means to say that you try to go for help others. Okay, what a great or what a beautiful thing he has shared. This quote encourages a balance, means to say that he wants to give us or encourages us a balance between personal development and social responsibility. He wants to say that we try to develop a balance between to fulfill our personal development and fulfill our social responsibility as well. Okay, means to say that we try to build a beautiful balance to fulfill our personal growth, to fulfill our personal needs, and as well as to fulfill our social responsibility as well. Okay, means to say that we try to encourage ourselves, we try to fulfill our needs, but with the help of, we try to encourage ourselves, we try to we try to encourage our personal growth, we try to do our personal growth with the help of others. Okay, hope of that you enjoy, this is hope of that this is our inspirational lecture. Hope of that you enjoy it, hope of that you understand it. And I have one request to you, that dear viewers, please try to help others, so that you can become a good version in yourself. Hope of that you enjoy my lecture. This is my inspirational lecture. Hope of that you understand it, and hope of that you try to be a good person. I have one humble request to you, that please subscribe my channel, and please share my lecture with your good friends. Thank you so much. Read this quote: the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Okay, and now we are going to discuss about the critical perspective of this quote. Okay, first one is balance is very necessary. Means to say that we try to discuss this point. While servicing others is valuable, means to say whenever you try to service others, that is very valuable, but you don't ignore yourself, you don't ignore your needs, your necessities as well. Okay, while serving others is valuable, completely neglecting one's own needs can lead to stress or exhaustion. Definitely, means to say when you are you don't try to fulfill your needs, it leads to stress or exhaustion. Okay, means to say serving is also very valuable thing, but if you try to ignore yourself, if you don't try to fulfill your needs, that's also lead to your stress, exhaustion as well. Okay, people must balance helping others. People try to balance helping others with caring of themselves. Okay, कितना एक खूबसूरत से, कितना एक सुंदर सी बात उन्होंने की कि भाई people must balance themselves, people must balance helping others with the caring for themselves. Okay, means to say that you try to care yourself, then you try to help others. Okay, hope of that you understand it. Means to say you try to helping others, but you try to care yourself as well. Okay, second thing I want to share with you, different parts to self discovery. Okay, different parts to self discovery. Not everyone discovers themselves through service alone. Means to say that it is not very necessary that everyone will discover his or herself with the through service. Okay, means to say that some people find their identity through education, art, science, sports, or personal reflection. Okay, means to say that you try, means to say that he want to share a beautiful thing, that